Hey guys, it's Nikita Gaddy, Misfit Revolution, back at you with another video for today. 2 Minute Tuesdays is up and running, and guess what I've got for you? Keep on watching. So today we've got a recipe, nice and quick, literally takes, I no kid you, under 2 minutes, I reckon. So I know I'm a little late on the whole overnight oats or chia seeds or whatever pudding, but I finally jumped on the bandwagon, and I think I've come up with a really nice, creamy and satisfying recipe. So I did get a few ideas online, and then I kind of just added a few and changed a few things that I obviously wanted for myself, and I really hope you like it. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy all the videos, of course. And if you like this recipe, let me know your favorite flavor down below. My favorite's chocolate. I haven't really tried anything else either, so once I do, I will update that, but so far chocolate is my favorite. So let's get on with the recipe. Am I nice and full? So thank you so much for watching again. I really hope you enjoyed. I send all my love and positive energy out to you, and always remember to eat clean, train hard, stay strong, and just do you. So let me know if you do decide to recreate your own or do the same as this one. Don't forget to tag me. I'll leave all my social media down below so you can stay up to date with every single upload and daily motivation, of course. And I better get to work. I'll see you later.